Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're in the kitchen and we're going to talk about dry canning potatoes. That's right, dry canning potatoes. So let's get into it. Okay, if you're going to be canning potatoes, you have to have potatoes first. Now, we like to do the small ones. Now, you can do bigger ones and cut them up, but in order to fit them in the jar good, small ones work good. But like I say, that's just our preference. And once you rinse the dirt off them, don't worry about scrubbing them, getting them clean. As far as with this technique, now what I have is a toilet brush that I cut the back of the handle and I threaded it, put a bolt in it, drilled it, threaded it, put a bolt in it. Works real good. And we just put them in some water. And we'll run this around a little bit. And this works best if you do this on freshly dug potatoes because their skin's real soft. But even if they have been dug a little bit, it'll still take them off. It just takes a little bit longer. But I'm going to continue to do this till I get them kind of cleaned up. Once you clean them up, then just take and lay them out on a towel and allow them to dry. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of ghee, just drizzle a little bit in there. And we're salting and peppering them. And now we're just going to kind of mix this up, get them all coated good. And it's just a matter of filling the jars. All right. Okay, make sure you wipe all the tops of your jars off. And I shouldn't have to tell you that sterilize your jars before you fill them. You don't need anything to give you a problem. Put your lids on. And then there's no liquid in there. This is dry canning potatoes. And then it's just a matter of putting these in a pressure canner. Now these do have to be pressure cans. You can't water bath them. And follow your canner's directions. Put you about an inch of water in the bottom of there. And then put your top on, seal it up. Now you're going to bring this up to 10 pounds. And then once you get to 10 pounds, you're going to can these for 40 minutes. And there you go. They're just so beautiful. And the thing about when you dry can your potatoes, you can use these in many different ways. The flavor is going to be really good. And as you can see, there's just very little water in there, a little bit that comes out of the potatoes themselves. We'll pick up a jar here. Got just a little bit of water in the bottom, but they'll keep real well. And like I say, they're more versatile this way than if you just canned them with water. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And of course, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.